Hey, Gary here with 30 Minute Marketing. Let's start with some simple truths that I think we can agree on. Affiliate marketing is not a get rich quick scheme, and you understand that you are the facilitator or you are the middleman between the person or the people that have a problem and the solution they are trying to get to. What does that really look like as far as being the middleman? There are people on the internet, they're searching for answers and recommendations. You are going to provide those answers and those recommendations in the form of YouTube videos and blog posts, or what we call content inside of our $100 a day system. And based upon those answers and giving those recommendations in the blog posts and the YouTube videos, your audience, the people on the internet, the people that are searching for these answers and recommendations are going to click on the links that you put in these pieces of content, and those links are going to be affiliate links, and that's going to earn you affiliate commissions. The next truth that you need to know, and what we can agree on, and where I want to get you today, is I want to start you off with a quick win. And that quick win is tapping into the global business software and services market as an affiliate. This market was valued at over 400 billion in 2021 and is growing and is compounding at a rate of 11.7%. You can see in this chart it is expected to grow, and it will steadily grow based upon the volume of businesses and entrepreneurs, infopreneurs like you and me that are working online and need software to run these online businesses. So, again, remember you are the facilitator or the middleman, helping people find the solutions that they need by creating the answers and recommendations, the helpful content on the internet inside of your $100 a day system in the form of YouTube videos and blog posts where you link out to these products and you earn affiliate commissions. One of the best sites to find this type of software for you to give recommendations and review is over at Appsumo. Simply come under Browse Software, browse the software, the products, and start with the latest software. Here you'll see products that you can review that have lifetime deals. And to become an affiliate, you simply scroll down to the bottom of the site, click on where it says affiliates. That takes you over to their affiliate page where it simply states here, get paid every time you send us a customer. That would be a person that you are helping with your content about the questions they have around the best software to help them do the thing they're trying to do in their business. And what's in it for you as an affiliate, you can see here that you get paid per sale for each initial transaction sale that you deliver. And they have an affiliate commission structure where you can earn unlimited income and up to 100% commissions per referral. Back inside of AppSumo, when you're browsing the software, simply take a look at one of these. For example, you see a lifetime deal here on a gamified marketing content creator called Interacti. The quick win here is to simply go to YouTube, look for the keyword Interacti review. That is a buyer keyword. That means people want to know exactly what is inside of Interacti and they are ready to buy as long as you are showing them the thing that they're looking for and you demonstrate it in a way that shows them how they can use it in their business. Now, you're probably asking me, well, how do I get access to Interacti? That is where I have you covered. And another quick win, go to the website for Interacti, and you can do this with just about every product over at AppSumo. And you can see here interactive content and gamification platform that you can try for free. And if you don't know how it works, you simply click how it works. And they actually walk you through exactly how the software works, how easy it is, and how to become familiar with the situation and the solutions that Interacti provide. And if you want to get started, you can get started for free by creating a free account. And when you create this free account, you can create your review that you can post here on YouTube without even showing your face, basically just like the video that you're watching here. Which brings us back to this simple concept of people on the internet that are searching for answers and recommendations, and you building out your $100 a day system with YouTube videos, starting with YouTube to get a quick win, then adding blog posts to make sure you really truly deep dive into the actual problem, giving the solution based on giving answers and recommendations on products, adding your affiliate links so you can earn affiliate commissions. So again, things that I think that we 100% can agree on: affiliate marketing, not a get rich quick scheme. You are the facilitator, you are the middleman, you are the person that is helping the people out there that are looking for answers. You help them find their answers, find their solutions, and that is your affiliate link to the products, in this case over at Appsumo. And Appsumo allows you to tap into a $1 billion business, and this is the way you start with a quick win. If you want to fully understand how this works and how you can exactly set it up, there is a link in the description. You can check that out. That will walk you through exactly how affiliate marketing works. Also, check out the video you see on the screen right now. Click that for more quick wins just like this video. Look forward to seeing you in that video, and I'll talk to you later.